naman natin ang mga balita mula sa Visayas.
Kalaboso ang mag-live-in partner na nakumpiskahan ng higit 300,000 pisong halaga ng hinihinalang shabu at baril sa bypass operation ng PNP sa barangay Punta Cruz, Maribojoc, Bohol. Yan ang balitang hatid ni Pacho Woman Judith Nicanor.
Sa kulungan ng bagsak ng mag-live-in partner na suspect matapos mahulihan ng baril at 374,000 halaga ng hinihinalang shabu sa isinagawang bypass operation ng Bohol PNP sa Purok 5, Barangay Punta Cruz, Bohol nito lamang nakaraan. Kinilala ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Jomar S. Pomarejos, Chief ng Provincial Drug Enforcement Unit, Provincial Intelligence Unit, Bohol Police Provincial Office, ang mag-live-in na suspect na sina Roel, 28 anyos na residente ng Purok 4, Barangay Poblacion, Panglao, Bohol, at Shaira, 20 anyos na residente ng Purok 5, Barangay San Roque, Talibon, Bohol. Batay sa ulat ng pulisya, bandang alas 2:22 ng hapon nang ikinasa ng kapulisan ang nasabing bypass operation na nagresulta sa pagkaaresto ng suspect at pagkasabat ng siyam na pakete ng hinihinalang shabu na may timbang na 55 gramo at standard drug price na 374,000 pesos, bypass minis, cellphone, motorsiklo at isang caliber 45 pistol, isang steel magazine at 7.45 live ammunitions. Kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya ng Maribojoc Municipal Police Station ang mga suspect at mahaharap sa kasong paglabag sa Republic Act 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002 at RA 10591 o Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act. Ang matagumpay na operasyon ay bunga ng pinagsanib puwersa ng PDEU, BPPO at Maribojoc Municipal Police Station.
Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, Bohol Police Provincial Office, under the leadership of Police Colonel Lorenzo Alfitsi Batuan, our Provincial Director would like to announce another significant accomplishment on our campaign against illegal drugs in the province of Bohol. On September 1, 2024, at 2:22 p.m., an operation is conducted at Barangay Punta Cruz, Maribojoc, Bohol, which leads to the arrest of 2 suspects, a priority target of anti-illegal drugs. With this, our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Batuan, would like to congratulate the operating teams from the Provincial Intelligence Unit headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Jomar Pomarejos and the operatives from Maribojoc Police Station headed by Police Lieutenant Nobel Padernal. This significant accomplishment on our campaign against illegal drugs is a good indication that our police, with the help of the community, is achieving our purpose and mission in eradicating illegal drugs in the province. We would like also to extend our gratitude to the support of the provincial government headed by Governor Erico Aristotol Ares Aumentado and the local chief executives who has supported the PNP's campaign against illegal drugs, not only in the supply reduction, but on the demand reduction strategy. Para po sa ating mga kababayang Boholano, magtulungan po tayo para tuloy-tuloy po ang ating pagpugsa kontra sa illegal na droga. Maraming salamat po.
Ang Bohol PNP ay walang tigil sa pagpapaigting ng kanilang kampanya laban sa mga gumagamit at nagbebenta ng illegal na droga upang masiguro ang kaayusan sa kanilang nasasakupan dahil sa bagong Pilipinas ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako ang inyong Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Judith Nicanor, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.